Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe down below. And today we're going to be talking of how to get PR. So I did a video and it kind of sucked because I said, if you guys want to know how to get PR, keep watching this video, and then at the end I said comment down below. I had talked a little bit more about PR in that video and I deleted the little clip, so I was like, oh, it seemed like a clickbait, but it wasn't a clickbait because I'm doing this video now. I do want to say, I don't know if you guys saw, but CoverGirl contacted me and there's a funny story behind that, which I think I'm going to do it in a separate video. I have so much, I'm like a scary cat person that I contacted CoverGirl to make sure they actually sent a package because I thought it was kind of fishy, that it was 15 pounds. So I have a story behind that, and I have another story that I got a box and I literally was about to faint. I got a panic attack. So subscribe down below so you guys could see that story después, later on. You guys comment down below that you guys did want to learn how to get PR. You know what? I saw a video on YouTube because I YouTube a lot of tips on how to grow your channel, how to do this and that, and tutorials as well. I feel like I've been getting good or better since I started this YouTube channel. This is one of my first videos. And so I actually got contacted by CoverGirl, which kind of gave me an idea. I was like, I'm gonna start watching videos of how to get PR. So I've been getting a lot of emails from different smaller companies, and then when CoverGirl reached out to me, I was so excited. Like, you guys have no idea. I was so excited. I thought it was pretty cool. To me, that was big, and I was like, man, I haven't tried CoverGirl in forever because I bought their little green thing that's like, it was like a bug or two, and I didn't like it. But they have upgraded so much. I'm gonna buy a couple of mascaras because my favorite brand of mascaras is Maybelline, and the one I'm using is from Tarte right now, and I totally love it. And then the one, I don't know what other one I got in BoxyCharm, which you guys hear me talk about it all the time. So I have like 3 favorite mascaras, one from Tarte, and then Maybelline, and then some. But the CoverGirl, I never have really liked their mascaras. I didn't really like the mascara they sent out, but since they upgraded so much and I liked all of the products except the mascara, I mean, it's not bad, but maybe because I'm used to wearing lashes. So what I want to do is try not to wear lashes for like a whole week, try their mascara again, and buy a couple other mascaras, and then do a review on that. So subscribe if you guys want to see that review. How I was saying about how to get PR, I saw this video that this girl was saying you have to reach out to companies if they don't reach out to you. So what I've been doing, I've been sending a lot of emails, not emails, I've been sending a lot of messages through Instagram because I'm a scary cat and I just like Instagram. I was like, well, if companies have been contacting me by Instagram, smaller companies, why can't I contact bigger companies? Oh, my neck. Why can't I contact bigger companies on Instagram? I mean, that's gonna look so unprofessional, but I did. And some of them gave me their PR email, and they're like, can you please email us your social links? All of them asked me the same thing. So I actually emailed 𝒮𝒾𝑔𝑒𝓂𝑒 Cosmetics, which is kind of bigger, and they told me that and to email them. So I emailed them and they haven't responded. And then probably out of 30, 10 said yes on Instagram, and then like 6 told me, hey, can you email us? And not a lot have responded. Probably from those 6 emails that I sent out, 3 said yes, and then some other ones were like, we're working on a PR list, and we'll get in contact you, blah blah blah, thank you. Like, this is how they respond. So what I do when I send them a message, I'm not going to tell you guys how I send the message or what I send the message, because then all of our messages are going to be the same. First you introduce yourself, and then after you give a compliment, you know, I like your products, I could review your products, and da 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 da, like whatever you want to put. And then your ending, you could be like, thank you for your time, hope to hear from you soon. And then that's what I started doing. And then since all of them asked me for my social links, I actually put my social links on the same email. When I'm still sending some messages. I kind of stopped this week because you never know. And then sometimes like Pretty Vulgar shared a picture of me, and I got a couple of subscribers, probably like 800, 500 subscribers from them. And they could share your picture, and that helps. And then Fresh Tone, I forgot what they're called, where I get my contacts, they shared a picture and I got like 20 subscribers. I didn't get a lot, but I mean, you get 20. So if they send you out and then you put a picture and it looks nice, make sure you have good quality, because I feel like I'm improving in my videos because my videos kind of suck compared to my Instagram. When I take a picture, I make sure I have really good quality, like, and then like I fix it a little bit. If you guys want to see a video of how I fix my pictures, let me know down below and I'll gladly do that. um but yes, I usually contact them and many are gonna say no, but you don't lose anything if they say no. You actually win more if they say yes. So out of 20 and 2 say yes, I mean, that's a big chance for you. And then you can put your PR unboxing or regular unboxing on highlights and let hashtag PR unboxing, and a lot of people actually look at that because some people are bored of the same YouTube gurus. I mean, CoverGirl sent out a package and I don't even have more than 1 million subscribers because I feel like we see reviews from the same beauty gurus all the time, and for me that's so boring sometimes that I actually watch other people with bigger amounts of subscribers than me, because I don't even have that many, but less than 1 million, because we always see L'Oreal, Manny Moore, Caitlin Lights, and Kathleen Lights. I always say Caitlin. Caitlin? Kathleen Lights. So that's what I mean, like, context. Companies are going to say yes to you or no, like, but you don't lose anything by contacting them. So I hope this video was helpful. I try to make it pretty short and simple. And if you guys have any questions or have any questions for me about social media and stuff like that, let me know down below. I'll gladly make another video answering your guys' questions. I've been so busy that sometimes I usually, if you guys see me commenting a heart and you have a YouTube channel, I've been so busy and I do watch the videos. But I just been so busy and I just want you guys, like, sometimes I leave your guys' videos playing because the ones that usually that I interact with, they have channels, but I've been so busy that I haven't really been commenting because I don't really like to comment if I don't watch your video, because I think that's kind of dumb. I don't know. But I do want to apologize if I haven't been really interacting with you guys and you guys been commenting, but I've been so busy this week. You guys have no idea. Like, how I told you guys, I've been contacting people, like, I've been getting a lot of emails and I also been contacting, and it's just been really busy, busy and crazy for me, and then work, that this week I'm going to start with the whole school thing and I'm just so busy. You have no idea. I have no time for myself. I've been drinking coffee like crazy. And I've been wearing a lot of under eye stuff because I haven't slept, because I'm a skin freak type of person. But anyways, that was pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.